Alana does a really good job at following up with people too. It's not just that someone says, "I'm not sure if I can be unbiased." It's like she gets the confirmation from them, and Judge Vriesman really accepted those positions based off of Alana's like technique and speaking to people, and so I think that helped get. I think it was what was it, about 6 people removed for cause.
Yeah, it was quite a bit. Pretty much every trial, because it's uncomfortable, right? Like they're giving you enough for them, but it's like, I'm going to ask you more because I know this judge is going to try to rehab you, and I'm going to do everything that he can't redo. Um, and I know that that's taking up time, but it's super valuable.
As you were talking, I was curious. It sounds like you didn't have time to address any of the sort of like bias against personal injury lawsuits or anything like that. Number one, am I correct that you didn't have time to do that? And then in your case, given the specific issues that you had to address, was it, you know what, it's more important to hit these issue-specific things with addiction, et cetera, than it is general feelings about personal injury lawsuits?
I think I usually do have it at the bottom of my list, that and big money. But I think if you're asking some of these people the questions in a way where it's like, okay, well, we're going to be asking for you to award because of an addiction, you can kind of gather like, do they like lawsuits in general? And then I could follow up and be like, okay, well, you wouldn't award for this. What about if it was an orthopedic injury or something like that? So I try to tie it on a little bit to get enough information if they're biased, but I think I do, so don't get me wrong, I do usually ask those questions. I think they're important, but I think you can get an idea of their biases through other more important things that could really break your case.